I've received a lot of questions lately about how to run your thread through the eyelets on a wrapper, so I thought I would take a few minutes and make a short video on how to set up your CRB hand wrapping system. Now, I know there are a lot of different wrapping systems out there, but I thought I would focus this video on the CRB hand wrapper. If you don't have a CRB hand wrapping system, let me know what type you use in the comments below. Hi guys, it's John with ReelBlue Custom Rods, and today we're going to learn a little bit about the CRB hand wrapping system and how to run your thread through the wrapping guides. But first, I want to give a shout out to my most recent subscribers. So here's a shout out to Matt Fritz and Pinko Payo. Thanks for subscribing, I really appreciate it. Okay, so the first thing you note on the CRB wrapping system is that it's designed to hold 2 spools of thread, one on either side. And those spools of thread can be, a 100-yard spool or a medium 1-ounce spool, and it could be any brand of thread. So Fishhawk, Pro Wrap, Pac Bay, Fuji, metallic, silk. It really doesn't matter what type of thread it is. So again, 2 spools of thread. Next, you'll note that there are multiple thread guide paths that you can use to optimize the thread position during some of your more trickier wraps. So you see you have one here in front of this spool, one here in front of this spool, and then a center one. And then that thread will run to your tension bar and then to your slider. So on these 2 here, I have them kind of at an angle. And then what I do is I'll take, this blue metallic thread, I'll come underneath this direction. So I'll make the opening on this backside since the thread is working this way. And then I'll come back to that center part there. So that's how I have my thread lined up. And then I will go up to my tension bar, which is back here. So that's how I'd set that up. If I had another spool of thread coming off, I'd do the same thing. Then there is the slider bar, right? And it is designed to help you track your thread from the blank up to the guide foot to keep your thread nice and tight. Next, we move our attention to the tension rod. And this rod is designed to help keep the tension on your thread during your wraps or when you're making minor corrections and backing off your spool. So you're either pulling or you're backing off to take up slack. That tension rod will maintain that tension so you don't get a bunch of slack in your line. Here you can see how the tension rod is maintaining just the right amount of tension during this wrap. And I can adjust that tension here on the wing nuts. This adjustment in tension against the spool of thread will determine when the spool will release more thread during that wrap. And the tension rod adjusts accordingly to ensure proper tension against the thread while wrapping. And that is pretty much it. I hope this gives you a better understanding on how to use your CRB hand wrapping system. And if you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I release new videos every Monday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and sometimes on Thursday afternoons as well. Also, if you found this video informative, go ahead and feel free to share it with somebody else that you think is interested in this type of material. And also leave a comment below and let me know what you thought about the video. And if there's other information or topics you'd like me to make videos on. Again, I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I couldn't do this without you guys. I really appreciate the support of all my subscribers and non-subscribers as well. Thanks for watching, and go ahead and watch this next video here. And until next time, take care.